For the record, here's my setup. I've got my phone decibel meter here. What is it? 2 meters from the patch where the rear tire touches the ground and on about a 45-degree angle. And then this is 1.35 plus or take a little meters off of the ground, as little as possible. I'm not sure I achieved the minimum distance to something solid, but it's the best I can do at this point. I have now started the bike with the original exhaust, and yes, I put a carbon fiber vinyl wrap on the ugliest exhaust ever created in the motorcycle world. Running about 65 to 70 dB.
Yep.
Next day, new exhaust installed. I replaced the can and I put in a mid-pipe, removing the resonator but leaving the original header pipe and catalytic converters. Upside, it sounds pretty good. Downside, no instructions. And yes, there are YouTube videos, but nothing that tells you exactly what you need and what you don't, because there are leftover parts. One thing we didn't end up with, and I've got to go get, is there is a spring on the backside, but there was no spring properly sized for that gap. Anyway, we'll get this thing started up, and you can hear what it sounds like. On a side note, this is with the DB killer installed. It's down in there, and I'm going to leave it installed. This is plenty loud for my purposes.